Hi, today we'll see about yellow sapphires. Normally, when you see yellow, we are saying it as a precious one, okay, or something which we say as a symbol of clan. Okay. See here, we are having a yellow sapphire, okay, which is embedded on a different piece. Okay, I think you can get the view of it clearly. This is not a normal yellow sapphire. It is a lemon yellow sapphire, okay, which is mounted on a small one. Okay, this is a normal stone. Okay, below this we get a sapphire. Okay, normally when you say sapphire, it is a Jupiter stone. Okay. Its combination is aluminum oxide. Okay, normally its combination is aluminum oxide. Okay, see. Okay. The scale, when we see on Mohs scale, it is up to 9. Okay, on Mohs scale. Okay. It is very hard, such that even when you scratch it with a steel plate, nothing happens. Okay, we have seen used here. Okay, with a steel piece, nothing. Only diamonds can cut this sapphires. Okay, there are different types of sapphires. Okay, all type of sapphires are related to corundum family only. Okay, normally everything is related to corundum family. Okay. Even when we see ruby or blue sapphire, we say all relates to a corundum family only. Okay. The color which gives yellow is based upon the iron and titanium that has been related with this stone. Okay. Or we can easily say the combination of both iron and titanium gives this color. Okay. As this is very hard, okay, you can easily cut a glass with the help of this sapphire. Okay, see how it does that. Okay, as it has got a white one, you are not able to see properly. See, now it looks as it is. Okay. Okay. As it is a yellow lemon sapphire. Okay, normally we will say lemon yellow sapphire. The color is lightish. It is 9 on Mohs scale. Okay. When we see this stone is very expensive in nature, okay, and we don't relate it with other things. Okay. See how far it has been stated. This, otherwise we can say it as a normal stone which consists yellow in color. Okay. Okay. The properties to find sapphire is, see how it has broken. Okay. See the polishing slides and how it has been broken. You will be getting a curved lines where it is broken. Okay, that is one part how you find sapphire. Second one, you can see how far it is in polish condition. Okay, see. Okay. Third thing, when you keep it on a sunlight, okay, you will get blue glares like this. You can see it here. You are getting blue color, okay, and blue and yellow will be there. Okay, normally you can get it in a blue sapphire also. You can see the white property clearly. Here you are getting blue properties. Okay. Okay. The sapphires are completely based upon its size, shape, grading nature, okay, cut and clarity. Okay. See, now you can see the colors, okay, that is happening here. Clearly you are able to view it. Okay. Normal, when you see the sapphire, okay, this will be dark yellow in color. Okay, see here as it is in the front side. Okay, as it is a lemon yellow sapphire, it looks little light. Okay, the shade occurs due to the color that has been inhibited at the top one. See, when you see the top, it is just a crystalline structure. Okay. At the bottom you get this yellow sapphire. Okay. I think now it is in a clear view where you can see it. Okay. This yellow sapphire, mainly it is used to have peace at home, and you can have prosperity. Okay, this both are very important as we see a home. So those both are got through this yellow sapphires. Okay, even though there is no complete evidence that you will be getting this prosperity or peaceness through this crystal, but it's a faith that has been happening, or that has been embedded with this stone. Okay. See how it glitters. Okay. If you like this video, share it, like it, give comments on it. Thank you.